Hi, I'm Sara, ticketing expert at Byway. In this series, we'll share all of our advice, tips and tricks on how to plan a DIY slow travel trip. If you'd rather not untangle the web of reservations yourself, Byway can take the whole trip off your hands. We'll build your route, book every train, ferry and hotel, and stay on hand throughout your trip in case anything needs replanning. You can also find our full blog series, linked below for an even more in-depth guide. We hope you find this useful. Let's get into it. Booking one train ticket is simple. Booking 15 of them across 6 countries and 4 different websites is a different job altogether. Here's our tips on how to go about it. Be ready before you book. Have everyone's date of birth and passport details to hand, since most operators ask during checkout. If booking Interrail reservations, have your pass number ready too. What if a train isn't listed yet? That's usually engineering works and not a problem with your plan. Check back every few days. If it still hasn't appeared 6 to 8 weeks before travel, then look for an alternative route. Book sleepers early. Even if the rest of your route isn't locked in yet, most sleepers are refundable, although do check the terms. So just remember to cancel anything you don't end up taking. Pay a little more for flexibility. Exchanging a ticket for a different day or time is often cheap or even free, and usually beats cancelling and rebooking, although Interrail seat reservations are the exception with stricter cancellations. Protect your tightest connections. If Choo Choo shows a leg has a habit of running late, spend a few pounds for a reservation on the next service as a fallback. Some tools to use for booking: Seat 61, Choo Choo, Wagonweb for seat maps, Interrail Journey Search, OBB, Rail Europe, Direct Ferries, Travelling.com. This is one part of a 10-part video series on how to DIY slow travel. If you'd rather not untangle the web of reservations yourself, Byway can take the whole trip off your hands. We'll build your route, book every train, ferry and hotel, and stay on hand throughout your trip in case anything needs replanning. Thanks for watching and happy planning.